Okay, I think this title will grab your attention. If Capcut is too dangerous for you, here is an alternative for it. Here is, if Capcut is dangerous, if Capcut is too dangerous, here is an alternative.
This video is sponsored by uPresenter, an AI-powered platform for interactive e-learning presentations and quizzes. Besides the clever AI assistant, uPresenter is unique in the AI market for the various built-in interactive questions and detailed report tracking ability. Sign up now and explore many other superior features of uPresenter AI.
Okay, so if you are using Capcut or you are thinking about using Capcut, then there's some very important information you need to know. Okay, so you go to YouTube and search for this phrase, Capcut change terms of service. Okay, so first one, Dylan John, Capcut is stealing from you. And Alan Bike, Capcut term of service condition are terrifying, here's why. And lawyer react to the new Capcut terms just 6 days ago, and it is 2 days ago. Before you use Capcut, what this? And Capcut exposed. Don't use until you watch this. Alright, and I also read on newspaper here in Vietnam talking about the terms of service of Capcut. Now they change the term of service to something like if you upload anything to their server or to the cloud, then it belongs to Capcut or belong to the company. They can use it and they can sell it and they can make money on it. So it means when you upload something, upload anything to the software, then it belongs to them. They can use it. So it is terrifying or it is dangerous for you, especially if you're concerned about privacy, something like that. Because when you buy a software, you need to have access to the tools, and you are able to use the tool to produce video or produce media for yourself, not for them, for the company. If they want to use the media from your side, they have to buy it or they have to have an agreement with you. So that is the case, and many people are angry with the company. How do I know other people are angry? When I watch a video, I just go to the comment section and you see here, there are many comments on this topic on Kevin video. Thank you, great information regarding TikTok only use. Okay, so many things. Crazy, deleted the app, stuff like that. Okay, so now we need to find an alternative to Capcut. So on this channel, I make many videos about Filmora, which is a better video editor than Capcut because it was older than Capcut. It was born 2 or 3 years before Capcut, and it has the same user interface and the performance is better and the feature is even better. Capcut is just a clone of Filmora. I said to my audience many times. So that's the reason why I want to make this video. So in this video, we talk about Filmora, okay, about how to use it and about the user interface of Filmora. And also I will show you a discount coupon to save your money. You can choose Filmora perpetual license or annual license. It's up to you, but I will show you how to buy it with a special discount coupon. And I will also show you the terms of condition of the software. And of course, it will not steal your media, okay? I also have Capcut here on my computer, and also I have the cloud here. But if you want to go to the term of service, you want to check here, term and policy, so term of service, and people are reading this one. So we have many things here. Many people are talking about this one. Yeah, because I think it's reading on their website is too difficult for me, so I decided to just copy all the terms of service here to my Google Doc. And if you want to read the conflict information, you want to go down here to the third-party AI service, okay, and then just find this one, user-generated content. Okay, so I already highlight the thing you need to read right here in yellow and in red. So all user content will be considered non-confidential. So it means that when you upload something to CapCut, it will be published and it is not confidential. Okay, and you need to order right. But here's the thing. Okay, so content submitted to us by submitting user content via the service. You acknowledge and agree that you allow us to upload such content to our server and hereby granted us and our affiliates, agents, service providers, partners, and other connected third parties an unconditional, irrevocable, non-exclusive, royalty-free, fully transferable, including sub-licensable. You further granted us and our affiliates, agents, service provider, partners, and other connected third-party royalty-free, fully transferable license to use your username, image, and likeness to identify you as the source of any of your user content, including for use in sponsored content. Okay, there are so many things here you need to read carefully. Okay, waiver of rights to use content, uploading, and it's a morals rights, stuff like that. So in short, they will use your media for anything, for commercial use, for making money, for sponsor, and for other people to use it, or maybe they can sell it to other people. All right, and even you decided to use CapCut, you need to consider the pricing plan. Now it is not free. If you want to use the program, you have to upgrade to Pro, and these are the pricing plan: monthly, yearly, and 1 month. So this is the yearly one. It is about $35, and this one about $70 for 1 year. Okay, and we need to upgrade to Pro to use the program, and I just use a free version. Okay, and if you go to Filmora, this is Filmora. Okay, so first up, this is the user interface of Filmora, and I've been using it for many years, and it is super easy to use. Okay, for example, we have a timeline here, we have a preview window here, and we have many important categories here. Okay, we have built-in feature, built-in effect, transition, filter, and sticker, and template, stuff like that. So I've been using it for many years, and I think it is the better video editor in comparison with CapCut. Okay, so because I tried CapCut different time, but I just don't like the way they clone Filmora, so I decided to stop using it. But if you have any feature in CapCut, then you can find it in Filmora, and you can find a tutorial on my channel. Okay, so in my opinion, Filmora is better than CapCut. You can try it. It is free to download and create an account with Filmora, and you can even export your project into final output with a watermark on your video. Okay, so if you want to remove that watermark, you need to purchase a license, and now I will show you how to get a license of Filmora. Okay, and if you are tired of Chinese company and you want to find another option, this is another great software for you. Okay, and so you want to make tutorial video, there is a better option for you. ActivePresenter from Atomic System. This is a Vietnamese company, and you can even create tutorial video and even e-learning courses here. For example, you can go to the export tab, and we have HTML file, SCORM package, and XAPI package. You can publish it to LMS also. So you want to try ActivePresenter, go to this website, atomicsystem.com, or you can just find the link in the description. They have different product here. By the way, you can download this one. This is ActivePresenter 9. So world-class authoring tool for e-learning design. Go to the download page, and it is available for Windows and Mac OS. And if you want to purchase a license of this software, you can go to the pricing here. $199 and $399. This is for e-learning and professional user. Okay, for you as a personal user, you can use it for free. It is free to use. And if you want to purchase the license, I also have a special discount coupon code for this one: ActivePresenter Standard and ActivePresenter Pro also. So you can go to this website. I will put this website at the description for you. Okay, so here at the homepage, I have some post about Filmora. So we have perpetual license, meaning that you buy one time and you can use it forever. Of course, this is only Filmora 14. If they upgrade to Filmora 15, you need to pay for the upgrade fee. That is how perpetual license works. Okay, for Windows and Mac, it has the same price. So this is $71.99 perpetual license, and you get all the features of the program and 1000 AI credit. And there is another option here. If you want to pay yearly, they have different options for yearly. $54 and $45 for 1 year, and you get AI credit and also all the features of the program. Okay, so for example, here I can buy this one, perpetual license. I can just copy the coupon here because this is 10% discount coupon, and buy. Okay, and come to their checkout page. This is Wondershare Filmora 14 perpetual license for Mac OS. It is in Vietnamese đồng. I will change it to USD. Okay, so now it is $79.99. Click here. I have a discount coupon, and then we can press Ctrl V to paste the coupon and refresh. Okay, and the final price is only $75.59 here, and you need to pay tax also, but the tax, it depends on your country. Okay, so in Vietnamese we have to pay 5%, so totally it is $78 for perpetual license of Filmora. Okay, so you can just fill in your information here and click continue. And once you want to see the terms of service, you want to go to their website. You want to use Filmora, you need to read this one. Okay, Wondershare Filmora, and it is in more detail, including the content you are generated and how they control the license of the software also. So we are the licensee here, and we need to be responsible for our content. End user generate content which belongs to the licensee, which belong to us, not belong to the company. Okay, by the way, you need to read this carefully before trying to use any software. So this is the same in Filmora. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If you want to try Filmora, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.